Let's learn how to easily add music to your TikTok videos. So, welcome back, guys. Adding music to your TikTok videos is a game changer for engagement and creativity. I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can add music, and the process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. So let's open the TikTok application on our device, and then you want to click on the little plus button in order to create a new TikTok video. So it's going to open up our TikTok camera, and I'll show you how to add the music after the video first. So you can record a video directly from your camera, or you can simply upload one from your photo gallery that you've already recorded. I'm going to select the 60-second format and then record a video that lasts a couple of seconds. When you add a video from your photo gallery or when you record a video from your camera, it's time to add the music. We have this add sound at the very top of our screen, but we can't click on it. We'll click on this little check button at the right side of our screen, and that's going to get us to the video editor. Now click on the Add Sound button and the music library will pop up. TikTok has a huge sound library, and you can scroll through the songs and select one, or simply search for a specific song. I'll add a Tupac song to my video, and when you find a song, just tap on it to select it. The song will be added to our video, and you can see the name of the song at the very top. If you want to select a specific part of that song, maybe a chorus or something like that, you can easily click on the song. Then find the little scissors icon that should be next to the name of the song. And now you can find a part of the song that you want to add to your video. So that's the first method on how we can easily add songs to our TikTok videos. The second method is to add a song before we start recording. So this is great if you want to do a lip sync video or similar. Let's go back to our TikTok camera, and then we'll select a recording format. I'll select the 60-second one because it's all I need. And before we start recording the video, we'll click on this Add Sound button, which should be at the top of the screen. That's going to open our music library one more time, where we can choose from a bunch of different songs. So you can scroll through the library, or simply search for a song. When you select a song, the name will appear at the very top just as in the previous method, and all we have to do is to start recording the video. When we record it, the song will play in the background and you will be able to hear the song. And that's essentially how we can easily add songs to our TikTok videos in just a few simple steps. This will greatly enhance your TikTok videos, and you'll get your TikTok game to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.